So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix your iPhone's ringtone not very loud. If you have been facing any issue with the audio loudness of your iPhone's ringtone, you can easily fix that. First of all, if you see that if I control if I press my volume buttons, I can directly change the media button, media volume, but there's not any ringtone volume. And now in order to access that, simply open the settings of your iPhone. In the settings, all you need to do is to just simply scroll down until you see this option of sound and haptics, and once you go over there, here only you see this option that says ringtone and alerts. Just simply adjust that, and you'll easily able to adjust your ringtones or your iPhone's call ringtones volume. Or if you want to access that with your volume buttons, you can easily turn on this option. Now you can change the volume of your iPhone's ringtone audio just by using your volume buttons as well. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.